Hey everybody, welcome to our Bold Patents Bakersfield, California page. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Wishing you an awesome day. So glad you made it to our page. I'm excited to talk about the 5 top resources right here in Bakersfield that are for you, the startup, the technical founder, maybe business owner, entrepreneur looking to get started. Some resources that are awesome and important for you as an individual looking to grow and start something really important. So let's go through this first one right here in Bakersfield. CSU Bakersfield. This is the Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation, CEI. It's a venture accelerator led by CSU Bakersfield. It's a 10-week startup. So it's like a boot camp where you just go from 0 to 100 miles an hour quickly. They have faculty on staff, community members who can help you cover what's called an MVP design for your business plan. They even have customer validation to get feedback, live feedback on your product or design, and marketing, financing, and even legal essentials. So it has got it all, right? So a venture accelerator is something you generally have to apply into and make sure you know what you're getting into before you get started. I generally advise my inventor clients to get protection first, meaning work with the patent attorney, lock in at least with a provisional patent application before speaking with someone in an incubator like this, because usually you're going to have a lot of different players involved. It might be hard to get an NDA signed with all the related entities that are helping you out. Plus, you might want to have that protection in place when you do get investors interested in your business. So CSU Bakersfield is by far my number one for you to check out here. Number 2, this is the SBDC. So it's also right here within Bakersfield. This is funded by the Small Business Association. This is number 2, by the way, Small Business Association, the SBDC, the Small Business Development Center. These are oftentimes retired or still active executives from big corporate world. They have got a lot of scars, a lot of experience that they want to share and mentor you, whether it be detailed financing, accounting, how to run a business, leadership, tons of really good stuff. And it's all for the brand price of free. Super hard to beat. Free training, access to capital, introductions to people you might know. Check out CSU SBDC. All right, number 3 is the Greater Bakersfield Chamber. That's right, Chamber of Commerce, the 10-month entrepreneurship program offering education, leadership training, and hands-on experience building innovative ventures. So number 3 is the Bakersfield Chamber. They've got entrepreneurial programs you don't want to miss out on. Oftentimes, they're a part of being a member, really low cost. A notable startup, Jimmy Ash. You heard of Jimmy Ash? They make healthy snacks. They started right there in Bakersfield Chamber. You could too. So check it out. 2 more here coming up. Number 4, this is the Kern County Inclusive Entrepreneurship Hub. It's a community-centered incubator offering mentorship, co-working space, which I absolutely love, and the inclusive programming to spur startup across the whole county. So it's a whole county-wide initiative. I love the fact that if you need to, even once a week, get out of your home office, get in person to a co-working space. There's nothing like meeting another founder, another business owner that can just meet you where you're at and get where you're coming from. Maybe they're a few steps ahead of you in one of the development aspects of marketing or sales or leadership, and you could get some plus advantage from them, and maybe you could impart some wisdom on them that's related to technology or some other area where you might be ahead of where they are. All right, last but not least is number 5. This is the Mesh Co-work, MESH, Mesh Co-work. This is part of the Kern County Builders Exchange. And so this one focuses on networking, specifically to construction and business entrepreneurs with mentorship and connections in the building or construction industry. 2 big startups came out of the Mesh Co-work. Maverick, that's Mavrek. They're an enterprise startup focusing on deal making. And then Magi, Magai, they're utilizing co-working spaces like Mesh to make sure they can grow their local tech hub, Magi. So check out Magai as well. They came out of the Mesh Co-work. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. Again, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. If you have any questions, any help needed at all on inventions, patenting, we're here to help. Click a free discovery call. We're 1 button away from getting you help. Have a good day, everybody. Go big, go bold.